Tonight, city leaders in Palm Desert want to hear from residents about redistricting plans that are now underway. And some residents are already voicing concerns about the city's unusual system, having just 2 districts instead of 5.
News Channel 3's Samantha Lomi-Bow live in the Palm Desert area at the community center there with more on how people can voice their opinions on this. Samantha.
Good evening, John. Yes, we're just about an hour away until that public workshop begins. Now, the city wants to bring residents into that redistricting discussion. And the city right now is currently split up into 2 districts with 5 council members. And in about 20 minutes, a group is expected to come in and rally in support of a 5-district system. The city of Palm Desert plans to redraw its district lines based on new data from the 2020 census. I spoke with the city's public affairs manager, Thomas Soul, who said it's a change that happens every 10 years.
With the release of the 2020 census information, then we're now adjusting our districts to reflect those numbers.
During Thursday's workshop, residents will learn how to use the city's map-making feature to submit a map of their own.
All of those will be considered by the council at one of the upcoming public hearings. And then they will shift in, they will use that input from the public. We have demographers working on this to help us figure out what might be optimal for the city of Palm Desert.
Palm Desert is currently split up into 2 districts, a downtown district shown in green with 1 city councilor and 4 other city councilors elected from the area in purple on this map. However, a group of residents, Drive for 5, is pushing to switch to a 5-district system.
Representation is a real thing. It's a meaningful thing. I happen to live in North Palm Desert. So there are a lot of issues in North Palm Desert that are not relevant to or not noted by the people who live in the south part of the town. They're just different issues that we face.
They claim 80% of Palm Desert lacks equal representation since none of the council members live in northern or eastern Palm Desert.
So many of the big projects that the city is undertaking are all in the south part of town. And, you know, the north part of town doesn't have a main street. We don't have a place to like walk around. Everything is big box stores and you know, Costco's and Walmart's and Home Depot and Lowe's. It's not like it's not that friendly. I mean, we feel that we deserve some consideration for that type of quality of life issue as well.
Soul said the 5-district plan is different from what they're considering for Palm Desert. The city just adopted a 2-district system back in 2020, but they are open to all suggestions.
The resident participation is so vital to this process because this is a basic part of our democracy.
Now, tonight's meeting here at the Palm Desert Community Center is going to get underway in just about an hour, and you can come in person or join in line. There is a series of community meetings planned in the weeks ahead. We have the meeting link and the full timeline for redistricting on our website at kesq.com. Live in Palm Desert, Samantha Lomi-Bow, News Channel 3.
Thank you, Samantha.